Alexa, did you eat a piece of candy?
Yeah.
You're supposed to wait for the gingerbread house.
It's okay. We have so much candy.
Athena, do you want to help us? First, we have to put our walls and put frosting on the sides.
Ask the grown-up if you need help.
We have you.
Hold it gently while it dries.
We are going to wait to let the frosting dry.
I'm all done.
My favorite part was eating the candy.
I decorated it like little candy balls to put it like Christmas lights.
It was so much fun decorating our gingerbread houses. Thanks for watching the Penny Alexa show. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.